Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. It is moist. It's a moist one. It's the election day, and I'm about to go vote. That's right. That's motherfucking right. I'm about to go vote. People are driving like fucking doodle pickles. Look at them. Taking their sweet, succulent, generic ass time. Look at these kids. They don't care. They don't care. So, speaking of voting, it's very important, and I really hope you voted. Don't be a doofus and just fucking be passive on this shit. I do want to pass this fucking... This Beamer is driving like a fucking bitch. It's a nice Beamer too. I just don't understand why. Well, I mean, I know why, because they're from where? Wisconsin? Yeah. Can't even tell. One of those weird states, so clearly their driving is optional to riding horses, so this guy obviously is probably an amazing horse rider. Whoever the fuck this fucking guy is. Where is he from? What the fuck? Fucking Kentucky, no wonder. Kentucky. Yeah, like I was dead on with the horse comment. Dead on. Can we go by? Yeah. I don't see any Poe. It's gonna be alright. So how is everybody doing on this glorious, glorious Tuesday? I'm doing fine. I have not vlogged in a minute because I've had too many vlogs from days past. Can this fella actually step on the gas? What the fuck? Like fucking... Oh my god, what a bunch of fucking assholes. What a bunch of pieces of dog shit. Like, that's what that's my oh, look at that. The cemetery looks kind of cool because it's like really foggy. My constant problem, these fucking assholes going 1 mile per hour selfishly, and they make the fucking light, well I don't, because you know why go a little quicker so the person behind you can make the light too? Everybody for themselves. So that is why I ride the way I ride, because in this town it's fuck everybody. Once in a while when you're feeling relaxed and you're calm, you're just like, okay, I guess I will be nice and take my time, but for the most part it's like every man for himself and fuck everybody in this goddamn town. This fucking jerk off right there in that pickup truck, stupid motherfucker. Beautiful, beautiful thing. And we're taking a bit of a backwards way from El Queenso, back from Queens to Williburg, but it's okay. Is that the Iowa car? No, for a second I thought that was like that fucking Kentucky dick. Dicks everywhere today. It's a dickish kind of ride. And earlier today I almost fucking dumped it, so if I was smart I'd probably calm the fuck down, because this douche pickle was not using a turn signal. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, this douche pickle was not using a turn signal, and me being an anxious piece of potato, I went around him, and guess what? Bad juju. Yeah, look at this. This is kind of a little bit of a wild spot. I forgot how trafficy it is in the morning, but not to worry, we'll get around it. So anywho, been playing Red Dead the last couple days. It's pretty fun. I actually made a vlog when I went to get Red Dead at midnight and my camera died and I didn't bring an extra battery, so that was a big fucking waste. But Red Dead is quite good. If you're on the fence,